Introducing Curves to Bridge, a powerful geometry node add-on for Blender that makes creating stunning bridges as easy as drawing a curve. Once you download the add-on, just add that in your asset browser and add a curve in your scene and drag and drop the geometry node system onto it, and bang, you got your Curves to Bridge. Now you just have to manipulate the curves as you like. This is one way if you don't want to draw or drawing on curve doesn't work for you. So this is the best way. You can just use this in a key feature or key point. And the best part is at the end point of every curve there is a slope bridge, so it won't look like an unfinished, clean as that. And you can go to curves to draw tool and choose depth as a surface, so it's easy for you to draw it on any surface, just simple as that. So I made this scene with a 4-part tutorial series, as you can see, and I just used this Curves to Bridge add-on, super quick and easy way to making those foreground and some back details in my scene, and that was pretty quick. I just needed to draw 2 or 3 lines and that's it. This extra stuff I did with I showed you guys how I use this add-on in a use case scenario. And you can get this add-on on my Blender market here, and you find the other details. Also the bridges, I didn't make them, those are made by polyheaven.com. I just created the geometry node system, so shout out to them. And you can check my Instagram and my YouTube channel over there. Also I have another add-on, so you can check that also in the descriptions. I'm working on a new asset pack from Demon Slayer, Infinity Castle. It will be a modular asset pack, so you can create your own Infinity Castle. And I'm about to reach 1k subscriber, just 2 more left. Subscribe to my channel and let's hit 1k before the year ends, and happy new year in advance. Thanks for watching. See you next year guys. Bye bye.